Hello, and welcome to yet another Chi-Prime video where we solve a problem to prepare for the GMAT. As usual, I'll give you a second to pause the video if you'd like to solve the problem yourself, and then we shall proceed to solve the problem together. Alright, so let's begin. Here we're asked which of the following numbers is prime. The key here is to try to figure out if there's any simple tests for primality that apply, or to check if there's any simple tests for divisors that apply. So for example, if you look at, let's look at 3 or 9, for example, right? 3 and 9 divide a number if the sum of the digits of the number are divisible by 3 or 9 respectively. By 3 or 9 respectively, as the case may be. So for example, if you look at 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, which is equal to 0 mod 3, right? It is divisible, perfectly divisible by 3. So A is not a prime number, it's divisible by 3. And the same can be said of C. C is 1 plus 1, I'm sorry, there are 6 ones, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 6, which is again divisible by 3, 0 mod 3. So we know that A and C are not divisible, have 3 as a prime factor, so they're not prime numbers. Now let's look at B and D. B has 4 ones, right? The test for divisibility by 11 indicates that if the sum of the sets of alternate digits, if the difference of that sum is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So in this case, you get, so in this case you get 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this is divisible by 11. In fact, 1, 1, 1, 1 divided by 11 will give you 1, 0, 1. The same case applies to D, which has, if I read it correctly, it has 8 ones. So in this case, and again, the difference will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 0. And indeed, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 divided by 11 will give you 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. I hope I have the number of zeros and ones correct, but that's pretty much what it gives you. So B and D are not prime either. So the answer we want is E. None of the above is prime. Thank you for watching.